From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. You know what we're going to call this video? We're going to call it S&P 1955. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1954.5 midday or early morning. The low came in at 1945.80 early afternoon, and last were 49.5. We're up 50 cents. Total volume, 900,000 minis trade and 5,000 big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, we had 190 million to buy. Now I want to point something out. As we go into this kind of funky slowdown that we've been in, a lot of this has been, a lot of the activity that we had last week surrounded economic numbers. This week we have half the amount of numbers coming out this week. Tomorrow we have the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index. We have the Red Book. We have the JOLTS number. We have the Wholesale Trade number. We have a 3-year note auction, and we have no Fed speak for the rest of the week. Now, Mondays today is going to go out as expected, as one of the lowest volume days of the week. And then you know what we're looking at later in the week? We're looking for that Pitbull Thursday, Friday low the week before expiration. I know that's hard to think about, but you got to put it on your calendar. Now, the other part about this is, what we saw today at the highs of the day, and I put this out in the chat room. I traded like shit, but I put it out in the chat room anyways. There was a tremendous amount of sell imbalances toward the highs of the day. At 54 even, at 53.75, at 53 even, at 52 half, a total of about 22,000 minis traded on those sell imbalances. And then after those sell imbalances came in, those arbitrage sell programs. We had stops, and then the S&P sold off a little bit. But then again, late in the day, the S&P bounced back up like it always does. You know what? We're going a little early here today. We're unsure if we're going to go out up or down. But I think 6 out of the last 7 Mondays have been higher. And I think 12 out of the last 13 days of S&P trade have been up. And the 1 day down day has only been down 1 tick. So you know what? We're just going to leave it like that.